Talking about the first process that the public kind of like give me that official verification. Say, okay, I'm good. Was a song I produced with Was called "No Lock Off the Sound Officer."
Big tune that
Yeah.
Big tune.
That was the first song where like I produce it. Was me that like me have a little closet set up. Me live at Portmore and him come in. But we did produce a song with his cousin named Ninja Food, aka Surf Food, which made it change the name to Surf Food. And the song when we did produce with him, it's a slight popular song, but not as big as No Lock Off the Sound Officer, but it was called Some Days. Some days when I feel like the pressure is on. I keep on. So that song, I did demo it first still and give him it to sing, because I did hear the tone in his voice and say, yo, you know, so
This song would have fit his voice.
it fit him voice. And the first day I give it to him laugh off of me and call thing Phantom Motion. I was around Phantom Motion and people. Call Phantom and say, yo, look what Dameon tell me to sing. I say, you can't do it, man, we ain't know your voice.